If you've seen one of our previous videos, you've learned about how you and I can make a side hustle out of selling Notion templates in a few easy steps. One of these steps involves creating a landing page where people can get to know what templates you've made and easily go to a Gumroad checkout page. Well, today, I'm going to be showing you how to do just that. We're going to rebuild one of Easlo's Typedream sites. This freelance OS website is divided into several key sections: a clear hero section, a more detailed explanation about Notion templates, a wall of love filled with testimonials, information about pricing, answers to frequently asked questions, and a repeat of the primary call to action. Alright, let's dive right in. First, turn on dark mode by clicking the toggle on the top right. If you prefer to add a background other than black or white, maybe even a gradient or a video, you can press the page settings button and select the media you want to use as a page background. Now that we're in dark mode, we'll hash out the hero section. Use heading 1 for the title, center aligned. This title is usually a one-line description of what your product can do for your target audience. Then underneath, use subtitle 2 to expand upon that title sentence with a description. Notice the hierarchy achieved by both the difference in font size and color. The big title has higher contrast than the description. Also, add a button that links to your Gumroad and an image or a GIF as the asset. Next up, we have a breakdown of the use cases for our Notion templates. I like how Easlo used the buttons instead of a plain text component to list out the use cases, because what you can do then is to link a targeted landing page for each specific customer segment or use case. To explain the top use cases or benefits, a common layout to use is a 2-column structure with an image on one side and the text on the other. You see this on Easlo's website, but also on Typedream's website and many others. We can alternate where the text and images are, left or right for each benefit, creating a Z pattern that matches the natural movement of our eyes when we read down a page. We're more than halfway done with the page. Now, let's compile some good reviews to hype up our Notion templates. There are a few ways you can do this. 1, you can create 3 columns and put a container in each, like we're doing here. Then, fill out the reviews manually. You can also use a third-party integration like Testimonial, where you just drop the given code in an embed block. Or, you can also use our content management system, which makes updating the information or testimonials a little bit easier. For the pricing block, I'm going to take a shortcut and use one of our section templates. Type /section templates and you'll be able to select from a list of pre-constructed pricing components. All you have to do is to edit the details to suit your product. Having a frequently asked questions section is a good way to proactively address people's thoughts. Sometimes that thought or question could be the only thing that stands in the way between I'm interested and I'm going to get this Notion template. If you notice on Easlo's site, he uses a 2-column structure where he has the question on the left and the answer on the right. And that's completely fine and it works. But Typedream also has an accordions feature now, where you can essentially only show the answer when the user clicks on the question. The expand or collapse aspect of the accordions can be more space efficient. Finally, to close out the page, a good practice is to repeat your main call to action, which is in your hero banner at the top of the page. Take what you've written up top, repackage it, and add it to the bottom of the page. This way, people won't have to scroll all the way up to access your Gumroad link. And your page is good to go. Be sure to subscribe for more easy website building tips. We'll see you in the next one.